All right, hello, welcome to the storm update. It's about 5 to midnight. We have breaking news. Tornado warning has just been issued for, looks like right around Philadelphia here. We now have a tornado warning, so let's get the latest on that. Let's go to um, let's see if we can get some information on that tornado warning. Hold on a second. So this is the radar here, but we need to actually get the actual tornado warning. So let's all right, tornado warning. All right, it has been dropped. All right, but there was a tornado warning issued, and now it's just been dropped. So I don't know if that's. Let me just refresh this. All right. All right. According to this is what we have. We had a tornado warning that was issued. It's this cell right here. I'm not sure if it just did an update, but this is it right here. Tornado indicated around Warrington, Warminster, heading toward Wrightstown. This is in Pennsylvania, going north of Trenton. So this is it. Tornado, Warrington Township. This is a radar indicated tornado. That is again, this line is moving into, and I can really hear that wind even in here. Oh, we have another one. All right. What's this? Tornado in Hackettstown, New Jersey now being indicated here. Okay, so, literally we can't even keep up with the information here that this line is doing. I just gotta keep hitting refresh all the time because, honestly, alright, tornado warning is not on the screen. Let's reload that radar again. It looks like it was dropped. Alright, it was dropped, that tornado warning. Okay. So there was a tornado warning in effect for this area here that had just this right there. Very briefly, you could see that it was there. We paused the radar right around there. There was a tornado warning, so it was dropped. But again, this line is capable of producing tornadoes. It is moving into our area and is going to be moving into New Jersey within the next hour. And then we're going to be getting to our area and dealing with this. And I'll keep you posted on this, especially with the tornado warnings, because obviously that's something that's very serious. We also have special marine warnings now already issued for the waters south of Atlantic, south of New Jersey and Delmarva, as this line moves into our area. So I want to go and look at the weather and hazards because we had some really strong wind gusts here. Chester County Airport behind the front, 54. West-northwest wind gusts up to 54 miles an hour. Let's see what we have here. We have a 51-mile-an-hour gust at Fleetwood. So this is all heading our way. And when this line moves through, this is when we're going to see these really strong winds come down to the surface. And again, there could be rotation, could be tornadoes in there. And as this line, it's an evolving situation, so we constantly have to update as this line continues to move closer to our area. Here it is. Once again, there's a line. It's the Fort Dix radar. This is the Upton radar. A very concerning situation as we watch this line move into our area. Let me just look at the Ventus Sky radar as well. Very unusual to see this. Extremely unusual. You could see that sharp front right there. So here is the line. Here it is. You could see just how heavy some of this rain is. There could be hail in here too. Very strong winds. A lot of wind shear because this is such a tight front that you have here. It's such a tight front that is moving through. You can and again, look at that temperature gradient here. You have on this side of the front, you're in the low 70s, very humid, and behind the front, you're in the 50s, dropping dew points, and you have this really sharp frontal passage, which really can cause a lot of spin in the atmosphere and put us at risk for this kind of thing. And it's very, very unusual. And I just want to bring you to the models again one more time so you could actually see what we are dealing with here and what this system looks like. And you can see here, when you see the isobars in like this V shape here, that indicates a very, very strong front and very unusual to see. And again, we have the temperatures. The warmth is unbelievable. Let's go over here and look at the warmth, and then I'm going to wrap this up. I mean, this warmth goes all the way up into Albany. It's insanity. It goes all the way up. Look at this, all the way up here. All the way up to northern New York, you're dealing with the warmth and the humidity too. So anything that's subject to this front moving through here you're going to have, look at the humidity. It goes way up into Maine almost. Dew points into the 60s. This is very, very weird setup. So again, we are watching this. Here we go with the. Here is the line. We can go look at the wind gusts on the Ventus sky and see that we have these winds are now gusting into the 50s and 60s into our area. I'm hearing the wind in here, so you know it's really starting to pick up out there. So again, watching this line moving through. I'll try to keep you posted. Right now, power outage number seems to have gone down a little bit, but again, once this line moves through, that power outage number is going to go way up, and it is entering New Jersey, nearing Philadelphia. And once again, I'm reminding you that this line is capable of, look at this. This almost looks like a little hook echo right there. This line is capable of producing tornadoes. Yes, tornadoes. It is now November. Tornadoes in November. Yep. So again, be careful out there. Be safe. Pay attention to what is going on as this line continues to draw closer.